Niggas be like, who is she?
Hey guys, it's she. I'm back today with another video. So I just did my nails and I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look. You can pick these nails up at CVS. If I'm able to find them online, I will link them down in the description box. So guys, I picked these nails up at CVS. They were $11.99 and they are just so perfect and beautiful. I could not wait to put them on. So the kit comes with this pink tinted glue, which I love. It is super strong. And then it also comes with a nail file and an orange stick. And of course it comes with 30 nails. And I got this kit because I was obsessed with these little blinky ones. A lot of people shy away from press-on nails because a lot of people apply them in a way that makes them look extra fake, okay? So the nails come in a set of 30. That way you can pick a size that matches the natural shape of your nail. When applying them, you want to make sure that the nail fits on top of yours seamlessly. That gives that I got my nails done at the shop look. So this step is very important. Do not skip it or your nails will not last. You're going to go through and gently file each one of your nails. Using your orange stick, you want to gently push back your cuticles. So first you're going to put a dab of glue on your real nail and then you're going to put a dab of glue on the fake nail. Be careful to place the nail directly over your real nail so that the bottom perfectly is lined up with your cuticle, and then you're going to press down and hold for 10 seconds to let it set.
On the track.
So you definitely want to run and not walk to CVS. I hope that they still have some of these available. These are the Masterpiece by Kiss one of a kind Luxe Mani nails. For $11.99, guys, this is an absolute must buy. A set of nails like this at the nail salon would easily be $100. So go pick them up today. And if you do, take a picture and tag me on my Instagram at MissFashionablyLate. If you guys like these press-on nail reviews, give this video a big thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Until next time, bye.
On the track.